Hello, good morning. Thank you for taking the time to join this interview. Could you please introduce yourself and explain your current current job?
Hello, good morning. Thank you for opportunity. My name is Zada Zumarnis. I work as an administration staff in the psychology test section for driving license. My main job is to manage administrative document and assist applicant during the psychology test process.
What are your main responsibilities in this job?
My main responsibility include registering applicant, checking their personal data, preparing test document, recording test result, and ensuring all files are complete before submission. I also explain procedure to applicants who do not understand the process.
What skills are important for your job?
Accuracy and attention to detail are very important because we deal with official document. Communication skills are also necessary since we interact with many people every day. In addition, I need to be patient and able to work under pressure, especially when there are many applicants.
Next, what challenge do you face in your job?
Okay, one of the biggest challenges is handling a large number of applicants in a limited time. Sometimes applicants do not bring complete documents, and we must explain the requirement clearly. Managing time efficiently is also important to avoid long quests.
And last, what have you learned from this job?
From this job, I have learned to be more responsible, this disciplined, and professional. I also learned how to communicate effectively with different types of people and how to solve problems quickly in the workplace.
Thank you, Zaza Sumarnis,
Okay, you're
for
welcome.
okay. Selesai.
For what?
Selesai.
For what? For what? Tadi aku